Welcome to question number 8, BECE 2025, section A. Let's see how we can do about it. I think we can get the answer within a split of seconds, but I'm going to pass through the long process to arrive at the answer. We are to solve 2 raised to the power x equals to 8 times 2 raised to the power 0. I'm going to transform all of them with equal bases, base 2, base 2. This is in 8, so we can break that into base 2. That make x as the power here 2 exponent 3 times 2 exponent 1, 0. I'm still holding on to that. Remember, if I have a exponent m times a exponent n, we are only adding the powers, right? So I'll be doing that on the right side of the equal sign. That still means that 2 power x equals to 2 power 3 plus what? 0. From this side, the same base. So 2 power x equals to 2 power 3. So since the base are the same base 2, we equate the exponent, meaning x is equals to what? 3. So if you check the options in here, x equals to 3 is going to be the A. So here I have the option A as the correct answer. I'm sure you will also say that this is power 0 making 1. So right away from here, you will get 2 exponent 3 exponent x equals to 8, which is going to be exponent 3, which will give you the same thing. I just want to maintain the power of 0 in there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.